Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we will create income and expense dashboard, okay, in MS Excel. So this is a sample, the demo that we have. Okay, we have already created it, so now we will create something like this, okay, for our expenses and income that we have. Okay, so also we have pressed the data, and if you move down, so this area is freezed with us. Okay, we will just display just the records, and this area is freezed with us. So now let's move and create this dashboard in MS Excel. So now let's create a new sheet. In this third sheet, first of all, let's select the area. Okay, I will select 4, 5, and then again 4, this area. Okay, and also let's select. After selecting this area, let's assign a background color to this area. Let's assign, for example, this color. I have assigned this color. And after that, let's write something here: learn and earn, whatever you write. Yes, okay, and let's just design it. It will looks like this. And also let's just merge these cells, and here I will write income and expense sheet of October 2023. Control B, increase the size of text, increase the cells, just adjust the cells. Okay, so we have adjusted the cells. Now let's select this area, and here I will assign a thick border, down thick border, okay, thick bottom border. So after applying, we have applied the border, so we can change the background color of this also. Let's assign a different color like this one, and also let's select this area, and we will assign this background to this one. And here I will write serial number, is number, and here I will write the date. Here let's write the income, and here amount. Just come here again, serial number, and to the left side expense, and here in this side date, expense, and here we will write the amount. Let's design this area. Control B it, and also make them at the center, and assign a background color. Let's select this area. Okay, we will select this area, and we will change it to the table. So to change it to the table, press Control T. After pressing the Control T, my table has the header, and press OK. So we can change the format of our table, the design of our table. So let's select for example, let's select this one. Okay, and also select this one, and we will change it to the table also. So after changing to the table, it looks like this. Okay, so after creating the table, now let's create our dashboard menus. Okay, so let's do it. So for that, first of all, I will come here to the insert and come to the shapes, and here just take this rectangular shape, and I will select this area. Okay, and let's design this. Okay, first of all, let's remove the outline, no outline, and also shape fill will be white. We will assign white color to this, and it looks like this. Okay, now let's copy this to the right side. So to copy this, for that I will use Control Shift and then drag it to the right side. Again drag it to the right side, again drag it to the right side. I will just increase the size of these, decrease the size of them. Okay, and move them to the right side, left side. It looks like this. Okay, or we can change these shapes to the rounded corner shapes. Okay, to this shape. Okay, I will change them. So they looks like this. Okay, now let's insert the icons. Okay, so for that, come here to the insert, to the pictures, and to this device. I have downloaded 4 icons. You can download the icons. Okay, I have already downloaded the link, the icons. Press enter. So the icons as inserted, let's decrease the size of them. Let's put them here and decrease the size of them, make them like this. Now let's bring them here. Yeah, this is the first one and this is the second one. And this is the third one. And the fourth one. So these are the icons. So now here we will write the total income, total profit. For that, let's come here to the insert, to the shapes, take these shapes, and here I will write the text total income, and I will design it. Okay, let's assign a color to this, here to the home, and we will assign this yellow color to this, and we will remove the background from this shape format. Okay, shape format no, and shape outline no, shape outline. And let's change the text color, size of the text color, change the size, Control B. And it looks like this. Okay, I will write for these 3 also the text. So I wrote this text, total income, total expense, profit and loss, in all these fields. Now let's write the data. Okay, so first of all I will write the data then. So let's write 14 October 2023, and let's drag it down. Income like sold products and also from shop. Okay, let's write whatever is your income, just write that. And this is like 1200 and 1400. Let's change them to the just cancel it and select these 2 fields, change them to the English United States, to the currency. And let's copy these fields, copy and paste them here. You'd like to write something like this. And the expense here, now I will write the expense like bought computer and also a mouse. The price of them like 900 and 100. Select these 2 and change them to the currency. So after changing them to the currency, now we will find the total profit, total income, total expense, profit and loss. So for that, let's move to another sheet, and here in this sheet I will write total income, total expense, profit and loss. Select these areas, make them like this, and here we will find the total income is equal to, we will write some function and open the bracket. Just come here to the sheet 3 and select these 2 fields, how much you have, and close the parenthesis and press enter. Sorry, that has become an empty field, but here we should select our data. That is selected, press enter. So this is the total income. So now let's find the total expense also, is equal to sum, open the bracket and come here to the sheet 3, select this and press enter. So we have found the total expense also. Now let's find the profit. So to find the profit, for that we will write equal to if the total income was greater than total expense, So what then it will do, it will just my total income minus total expense, otherwise write 0. Press enter. Right now we have 1600, and now let's write the loss also is equal to APO. The total income was less than total expense, so then what it will do, it will total expense minus total income comma 0. If there was no not less than, so then it will print 0. So now it is 0. So let's change the format of this also to the English United States. The currency, change the currency. After changing the currency, now we will display this data inside these boxes cards. Okay, so to display first of all the total income, so for that let's insert another shape. Come here to the shapes, insert it, write it here, and we will change the shape permit to white, and this white, and here I will write equal to, and I will link it with the total income. Select this one, press enter. See, the total income has came here. Now we will change the format of this. Let's just change that. Control B, and just come here to the sheet 4, select these fields, and we will remove the right side, this OK decimal places, we will remove them. Okay, let's move back to sheet 3 and let's design it. Same to this, Control Shift and copy this to this one, and here now we will bind, Control Z, we should just copy the text. Okay, this number, Control Shift, this number, and we will link it instead of that to total expense. Sorry, just come here to the sheet 3, come here, just want just come here to the sheet 3, and here just come here, instead of this click here, remove this equal to, and link it with the total expense, and press enter. So that has came here. Now we will copy this format. Let's just select this one, select this one, sorry, select this one, just come here, select this one, and select this format and select it here, and that has applied here too. Now let's copy this to the profit also. For the profit, what we will do, we will just change this D5 to total profit, press enter, the profit has came. Now let's copy this format to this one also. Now let's bring the total, the loss, just copy this to the right side, and just come here to the state of that, find this, press enter. We don't have any profit, select this, copy the format, apply it on this, Control Z, select this, copy the format, just apply it on this. So now we will praise our data. Okay, so right now if you just drag it down, make it like this. Now let's select this area and come here to the view and praise it. Okay, praise pens. So now let's scroll it down, see the upper area is praised with us. So it was all about how to find our total income, total expense, profit and loss. Now let's add another record, 3, and here we will write, let's copy this one here, let's write just like screen, and the amount of that is like 1400. Press enter. See, now profit 200 remained and we don't have any lost. Let's add lost. Okay, let's, for example, I will add 1200 more lost. See, so now let's see, we have 1000 lost and no profit, and total expense and total income. So it was all about the expense and income dashboard. Let's just remove these grid lines also, so it will looks like better. See, it looks like this now. So it was all about this. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.